Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you had a wonderful week. This video is a how-to on using Cricut to make gift tags for the holidays. Jennifer Misa reached out in our Facebook group and asked a message on how she can go about making this project. So this video is for you. To get started, I'm going to show you the materials that you will need. Then we will go over to Design Space and show you how you would set it up. And then we'll come back and watch the magic happen with the machine. To get started, you will need a mat. It is recommended that you use the Cricut Light Grip mat when working with cardstock projects. It's a less sticky mat, and it just helps when you go take your cardstock off of the mat, it won't roll and try and stay flat. If you don't have the blue mat, the standard grip green mat will work also. Not a problem. You will need Cricut pens. They do come in different color options and different tip sizes for you to use. So you'll need a Cricut pen. Just make sure that you're using a pen that's compatible with your machine. It's either the standard pen for most of the Cricut machines, or if you have a Joy, there are pens specifically for that machine. And then you will need your cardstock that you will cut and write on. So to get started, I've opened up Cricut Design Space. I'm going to insert a shape. That will be the shape for my gift tag. And the left, click on your shape insert tool. For this demo, I will select the star. I'm going to go to my sizing tool on top and resize my width to 4 inches in width. Now that I've done that, I'm going to change the color of my star by going to the color tool and making it from the darker color to white. That's just to make it easier so when I type my text, I can see what it's going to. From here, I will select my insert tool on the left and type out my message. I'm going to type happy holidays from Lainey. In order to have your Cricut write for you, you have to select a writing font. So we're going to go to our font tool on top. And I'm on my Cricut tab. I'm going to filter for writing and free since I do not have Cricut access. When I do that, there are 23 Cricut writing fonts that I can use. Let's see which one we can go with. I'm going to select the Alessia stencil script. Once you do that, your font will change. And now I'm going to bring it over to my star and work on resizing it to make sure that it fits within my star. I could bring it up a little bit. Okay, now let's work on our alignment. So I'm going to hit select all, align center horizontally to make sure that my text is exactly centered with my star. And your very last step is to just attach it. So I will go to my attach tool in my layers and I'm done. That is just telling the software that you want to cut out a star and you want the machine to also write on top of the star and combine the two. Once you're done, you're all set up. I'm going to hit make. No need to save the project for today. I'll be cutting on a mat. I'm going to confirm. Let's make 3 of these. I'm going to resize my material because I am using 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So we want to make sure that our designs and cuts stay on our cardstock. And I'm just going to show you one other trick. So it took my third one and brought it to a next page. I'm going to try and bring it up to the first page and save on some material. So I'm going to move my object to the first mat, hit confirm, and I can squeeze that in right there. So I just saved on some material. From here, I am ready to go. I can hit continue. It's searching for my machine via Bluetooth. And because I am using my maker today, I have to select my material on the screen. So I'm going to select medium cardstock. From here, in step 2, it's telling me that I need to load my materials and tools. So your pen always goes in clamp A, and your blade, which is the standard blade, goes in clamp B. From here, I've already put the cardstock onto my mat. I'm going to take one of my pens. Let's go with this blue color. Take the cap off. It has a triangle in the front. You want to make the triangle face you. Open your clamp A. Push it in. Click it until you hear the click. Close your clamp. My machine is blinking. That means it's ready to go. My blade is already in clamp B. I'm going to take my mat, load it in. Then we're going to start cutting. So now I'm just going to take my spatula tool, take off my cardstock excess, and take off my gift tags. And there you go. That is what it looks like once you're done. I could have, but I forgot. Also had the machine just poke a hole for me on top so I could put a piece of ribbon through if you wanted to. So that's how you would use the Cricut writing feature to make gift tags for the holidays. If you have any questions on videos that you may want me to show and put up on the group for you, please let me know. Ask questions in the group. I do have 2 more lined up that I'm going to work on from questions that I've received in the past week or so. Reminder that we do have a class coming up. It is a glass etching class. It is Cricut 102, where we spend a lot of time in the layers section of the screen, but we also go through some of the items that I would have went over in a Cricut 101 class. At the end of the class, the project is making 2 wine glasses that we will etch on. This is a very popular project that I've done in the past, great for the holidays. So I have a few folks already registered. I do have some more seats open, so please go on our website, longislandcricut.com. Take a look at the class description. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you register. Have a wonderful weekend.